Now, we will proceed on to make the tread profile, sipes and groove detailing. I have used here Boolean operation approach. For that we require a cutting surface and some solid bodies. First let's make that cutting surface by making a sketch. We are extracting all the outer edges of both left and right side profiles by using convert entities. We got the profile. Now we will offset this by 7 mm. Now as we want only the inner profile, so we will make the outer one as construction. Now go to Surface tab Features. Then select the Revolve Surface feature. There select the profile we just made, and the axis of revolution can be selected from previous sketches. Now hide the surface, press Ctrl+5 to orient the screen space normal to top plane. We will make the sketches for tread, sipes, groove detailing and shoulder cutouts in the top plane. The shape and design depends on factors like type of vehicle, passenger or cargo, tire wear, type of terrain and thermal conditions like summer and winter. And the tire is furthermore subjected to various simulation and road tests. What I have made here is just a concept design for tread block and other features from the online references. One thing to note here is that we need to make cutouts over these ribs. Therefore, the sketches will be made in such a way that the material removal is possible. So now, make sketches for shoulder cutouts first. The outer side we are making straight circular slots for large contact area and carrying extra load. And on the inner side of the tire we are making angled circular slots for quiet ride and better tire bite. Then we will make sipes for enhancing the tread and dispersing the flow of water. Sipes usually have sharp wedge-like design, as we can see here. We have used 3-point arc to make the sipes design here. Adjust the length and width as per the area available and make them smoother by giving fillet. Make sure it goes into the vicinity of the groove cutout area so that water can be directed into the groove channel. Similarly, make one opposite and longer design on the left-hand side in same way. Just like this, make 2 more on the other 2 ribs as well. Now our sketch is ready. In this sketch we have made cutouts for shoulder and sipes for tread block detailing and groove. After that we will use extrude boss command. In that we need to make the material towards the direction of top plane. While doing so, now hide the tire body and show the revolved surface which we created earlier. Now here we need to check that the revolved surface is cutting all the bodies only once. It should not cut any body twice, as here it is doing. So increase the length on extrude boss and adjust it. After adjusting, go to Surface tab and then click on Surface Cut. Select the surface and manually select the bodies to be cut. We are cutting the lower section of the bodies. After cutting the bodies, you can see they are penetrating into the tire thickness. That's what we wanted to do. We will perform the subtract Boolean operation now. So go to Direct Editing now, and there we select the Combine option. In there we can see the subtract Boolean operation. Select the main tire body and the remaining bodies to be removed. After that you can see the cutouts. Check them how they are looking. The cutouts on the shoulder are looking a bit more extreme as they are going very deep. So we will modify them so that they don't go into the shoulder section. Reduce the length of circular slots on both sides. And also reduce the length of sipes. Now we will give fillets to the solid body before we remove them from the main tire body, so that the fillets gets imparted into the tire body. We are giving here edge fillet of 2.5 mm to all the lower edges of the bodies. Select all the bodies one by one. Now unhide the main tire body and slide the rollback bar downwards to activate the subtract Boolean operation. Now it looks good. Some more adjustment can be done. We can adjust these circular slots towards right side so that it doesn't come into the shoulder region. Now, we need to make circular pattern of these cutouts. For that we will again roll back one step back and perform a circular pattern. For that again go to the Direct Editing tab and in there select the Circular Pattern feature. In that we select the already cut bodies with fillets and then select the axis of revolution. We can take it from the previously made sketches. Click on equal spacing button and give at least 50 instances. I have given 60 instances here and then just hit tick button. After that roll back to the latest feature that is combine and edit that as we need to remove all these 61 instances. So delete all the pre-selected bodies and we will select them again. There are 61 instances and selecting them all will take a lot of time. So we will go to solid bodies folder in the tree structure. We will select the second solid body, press and hold shift key and scroll down till you see the last solid body and select that. You will see now that the software is reading all those solid bodies into the bodies to be removed section. Now we wait for all the bodies to be selected and then hit the tick button. So now, our tire design is completely ready. You can see our tire here has 4 big grooves and 1 small groove. Apart from that we made sipes, shoulder cutouts and tread blocks too. We can see the cut section of the tire thickness also. Tyre designing is very important process and hence the time required to do so is more as well. You guys can follow the process followed in this video for easy understanding and designing. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and I wish you all a very happy new year.